National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Buffalo County and west central Wisconsin, extreme northwestern Jackson County and west central Wisconsin, northern Trempealeau County and west central Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Wickham Valley or near Arcadia, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. This storm can produce nickel-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Chimnerock around 4:50 p.m., Strom and Pleasantville around 4:55 p.m., Osceola Highway 53 and County East around 5 p.m., Requa around 5:05 p.m. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for small hail and damaging winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall from these storms may also cause the ponding of water on roadways and localized flooding. A tornado watch is also in effect for the warned area. Severe thunderstorms occasionally produce tornadoes and can do so quickly. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Buffalo, Jackson, and Trempealeau.
You're listening to